DP Design Studio has garnered a reputation for transforming tired, dated homes into modern, contemporary masterpieces. And today marks day one for this Beecroft project. One of the first treatments is to pressure wash the paved pool area and the entire exterior of this 5-bedroom family home. DP Design Studio has also created exciting new architectural plans to reconfigure the existing home's design. Stage 1 of the new design will establish a dedicated ensuite and create an additional bathroom, while also extending the existing house to create an expansive new laundry. DP Design Studio will undertake the renovations with no disruption to the family, with no need to move out during the renovation. Not only will these updates add significant value to the property, they will elevate the home's livability and functionality. Stay tuned to watch this incredible Beecroft transformation unfold as DP Design Studio continues to create magic and redefine family living as you know it. To bring your own vision to life, reach out to DP Design Studio today.